Hey guys, wanted to do a video quickly on this Safe Deluxe Ultimate Storage Bag. They were kind enough to send me this to review, so I thought I'd open it up with you on camera here and show it to you, and then go through kind of the key features that make these bags different. So let's get it out of the box here. Nice thank you note. Let's get it open. So this is their more deluxe bag. I just did another video on kind of the more simple one. But we have obviously a shoulder strap, snap on here, various organizational pockets that you can move around a little bit. They are Velcro, so you can keep everything organized in the bag itself. This Velcro's off as well, the other divider, and it does have three elastic here, then a pouch here. I'm just going to set this off to the side. It does have a tray, and then two additional screw cap containers. Screw on both ends. Just screw down tight. There's the larger one. And then we do throw in 5 Ziplocs. And then this card talks about their warranty and then how to set the combination. It does start default at 000, so I'll just show you that quick. So zip the bag up. To lock the zipper, you want to put the zipper in the middle here, so they meet in the middle, and then the default is 000. We're there now. Hopefully you can see that. And with the right combination, you can open the lock. Now, the way this actually locks is to put the zipper pulls in, and then when you release, they are locked in place. So if I change this, I cannot unlock it, cannot open the bag. So there you go, nice and secure. And obviously when you need to get in, flip it back to your combination, unlock, and you're good to go. It does tell you how to reset the combination. It's super easy. You just press, should be a reset button. Oh, the other one I looked at of theirs had a reset button. Let's see what this one has. To do this one, you just hold in the slide, reset your combination, and then release, and then it'll be set. So again, really nice high quality bags they make. It is all carbon lined, airproof zippers, airtight zippers rather, and a lot of extra accessories and dividers and organizational storage for the bag. So if you're looking at it, I hope that helps you, and check it out at the link. Thanks.